Was so mad that he was making it sound like I'm the bad person. Nevertheless, the conversation didn't end well. He left without any closure, but he said he would be back in March, and I was left alone. January to March last year were the darkest days of my life. I knew I did nothing wrong, but I ended up blaming myself for everything. I hate to admit it, but I canceled the meeting with my lawyer as I started to doubt if I really want to leave him or not. I love him so much to the point that I'm willing to accept him again when he's back. During the entire time he was gone, he rarely called to check on me. I had to call him most of the time. I know, I'm dumb. I felt so alone and sad. I begged for his attention, for him to give me some of his time, to be with me again. All those times he kept telling me that Tanya needs him more. In March, I was expecting him to come back so we could talk, but he didn't come back. He said he needed to stay longer and promised me he would be back in May. I don't know what happened to me when I got that call from him early March to tell me he wouldn't be flying back to Australia. At the time, I felt like there was a switch that suddenly turned off because somehow, I stopped caring. When he told me he wouldn't be back until May, I knew I had to